Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to share with you 2 easy beginner macrame projects. I will take you step by step on how to make 2 macrame keychains. First keychain is a super simple all square knot macrame keychain. We'll be using this 2mm Sage Bonnie macrame cord as well as this keychain clasp, both found at Hobby Lobby. And I am going to cut 4 cords at 20 inches each. Once the cords are cut, it is time to attach to the ring on the keychain holder. To do this, I am holding the keychain holder down on a clipboard and I'm attaching all 4 of the cords to the keychain holder using a basic lark heads knot. I find it easier for small projects like this to work on a clipboard to keep everything in place. So this keychain is super easy. Starting on the left side, we're going to take 2 of the lark's head knot groupings and create a basic square knot. I start taking the right outer cord and then switching to the left. I did a basic macrame knot video, which I will link down below if you need more detailed instruction how to make these knots. And you will repeat the same basic square knot on the other side with the 2 other lark's head knot cord groupings. Once you have the 2 square knots complete, you're going to take 2 of the outer cords from each side and focus on the 4 middle cords, creating a square knot to connect the 2 first square knots that you made. So this will be a square knot in the middle as you see here. Once that connecting square knot is complete, you're going to go ahead and take the 4 outer cords on the left side I started with and then create another basic square knot, and you will continue to do this 3 times. The process of making the 2 square knots and then connecting by the middle. I will leave this to music so you can see real time how I created these basic square knots for this keychain. After this 3rd middle connecting knot, you're going to do the 2 square knots again, but instead of connecting them, we're going to leave the cords as is because we will be using a gathering knot to finish off this keychain. To finish this keychain, you're going to cut another piece of cord. Doesn't matter the length, just enough to wrap around a few times. You're going to put a piece of the cord facing up top and then taking it and looping it here. Holding it with your thumb and cinching the bottom of this piece, you're going to wrap the cord around enough that everything is covered and you have enough of a wrap around to have a completed gather knot. I believe I did this about 5 times. So you're done wrapping around, you're going to take the longer piece, loop it through that loop, and then pull the top piece, having the gathering knot nice and tight, and then adjust as needed and trim the pieces on the top as well as the bottom so that the tassel cords are all even. Once everything is trimmed, you have a super cute and easy macrame keychain that you can give as a gift or have on your own keys. For our next macrame keychain, we'll be making this keychain using a half hitch knot. This is also, I believe, called a mermaid tail keychain. Taking some craft cord in 1.5 millimeter, I'm going to go ahead and cut 5 strands that are all 30 inches long. You are going to connect all 5 cords using a lark's head knot to the keychain ring, and again we'll be working on this on a clipboard so everything is in place. So since we're using 5 cords, we're going to take the 2 groupings of the lark head knot cords and we're going to do a double half hitch. So we're going to do this wrapping around twice on the first cord. Again, I have an intro knot video which I can link down below. Doing this until we meet that middle cord. So there's 5 cords, so you're going to wrap around with the half hitch 2 times per each cord until you get to the middle cord. So you're going to complete a total of 4 half hitch knots until you get to the center, where then you will stop and you will continue the same thing with the half hitch knot, 4 completed half hitch knots until you get to the center, which we will then combine with a square knot. I'm going to let this go to music so you can see better what I am doing. Then you are going to connect those 2 sets of half hitch knots with 1 completed square knot. So once you connected them with the square knot, you are going to continue the same exact process with the 4 sets of the half hitch on each side, connecting by a square knot a total of 6 times. And once you have your 6 rows done, you're going to cut another piece of cord and do another gathering knot to cinch and complete the bottom of the keychain. Also, when it comes to making a gathering knot, it really does not matter how long you cut the cord, because however many times you wrap it around before you complete the knot is totally personal preference. Just make sure that you cut it long enough that you can wrap it around a couple times to get the desired length that you want before you tie the knot. And once you have the gathering knot in place, you're going to trim the top piece and then trim the tassel. I wanted the tassel to be a little bit longer, but I also made sure that all the pieces were even. And there you have it, such a quick and easy macrame keychain that again is so cute on your own keys or will make a perfect gift. I hope you enjoyed these 2 easy beginner macrame keychains. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.